The trap of overthinking. You've probably done it before. Sat with a great idea, a vision, a dream, and instead of starting, you kept thinking, planning, waiting, telling yourself, once I'm ready, I'll begin. Then let me ask you, how many things in your life have you overthought and never done? How many dreams have died because you were waiting to be perfect? This is your wake-up call. Stop thinking. Start doing. Because overthinking doesn't protect you from failure. It guarantees it. The myth of being ready. They say, I'll start when I'm ready. But here's the truth. No one ever feels fully ready. You're not supposed to. If you're waiting to feel 100% prepared, you'll wait forever. Starting is messy. It's awkward, uncomfortable, and filled with self-doubt. But that's where growth begins, right in the discomfort. Because that's where the real learning lies. You don't become confident and then take action. You take action, and confidence is what grows from it. Still waiting to feel smart enough, skilled enough, experienced enough? Let me save you time. You won't feel any of that until you actually start. Look at the people winning in life. They're not always the smartest in the room. They're not perfect. They're not even close. But what they all have in common, they started. And they kept going long after the excitement faded. They acted when it was uncomfortable. They kept showing up when no one was clapping. And over time, that messy beginning became momentum. That awkward first step, it became part of their story. So stop telling yourself you'll start when you're ready. Start now and grow into the person who's ready along the way. Because done is better than perfect. And starting is always better than waiting. Action teaches more than thinking ever will. You can read every book, watch every motivational video. You can take notes for weeks, highlight every page, fill every journal. But here's the problem. If you never implement, you'll never evolve. Because learning without doing is just storage. And stored knowledge doesn't create results. Experience is the ultimate teacher. Not theory, not imagination, action. When you act, you get feedback. When you move, you make discoveries. You realize what works and what doesn't. You learn to adjust, improve, adapt. Not just in your head, in the real world. Even failure teaches you more than thinking ever will. Because failure brings clarity. It shows you what's broken and where to focus next. But overthinking keeps you stuck in the same spot. You plan and plan and plan. But your life, it doesn't move. You wait to feel sure, but certainty never shows up. So let this be your reminder. Thinking alone will not change your life. Doing will. Even messy, imperfect doing. Why digital skills are the new survival tools. We're not in 2005 anymore. The world has changed. Your ability to earn, grow, and build freedom now depends on one thing. Can you navigate the digital world? If you want flexibility, impact, income, you need digital skills, content creation, branding, online marketing, freelancing, AI and automation. These aren't bonus skills anymore. They're essentials. And if you don't learn them, you fall behind. You stay dependent on outdated systems. You become invisible in the modern economy. Those who take imperfect action online today will own the opportunities of tomorrow. The cost of waiting. Every day you delay taking action, you lose something. You lose momentum. That forward motion that makes things easier tomorrow. you lose visibility. The world can't support what it can't see. You lose time. And time, once gone, doesn't come back. You lose growth. Because staying still isn't staying safe. It's slowly shrinking. Meanwhile, the ones ahead of you, they didn't wait to be perfect. They didn't wait to feel smart, ready, or brave. They started unsure and uncomfortable. They began with shaky voices, with simple tools, with barely any confidence. But they showed up, again and again. And now, they're in rooms you haven't entered yet. They've built things. They've created freedom. They've earned trust, all because they chose action over anxiety and movement over perfection. So ask yourself, what is waiting already costing you? Every delay is a detour. Every excuse is a misstep forward. The only way forward isn't thinking harder. It's doing. Build the habit of doing. So how do you escape the trap of overthinking? You don't need another plan. You need a new identity. Tell yourself this every morning. I'm someone who does not just dreams. You don't need to change everything today. Just start small. Give your dream just 10 minutes a day. That's all it takes to build momentum. Post something, even if it's imperfect, even if it's messy, even if no one sees it. Reach out to one mentor, one guide, one voice ahead of you. Watch one tutorial. Then apply it. Don't just save it. Do the uncomfortable thing for 10 minutes. And let that grow into 20, then 40. Because momentum matters more than mastery. Discipline beats motivation every time, especially on the hard days. And action? Action will always beat hesitation. You don't need more advice. You need more doing. So stop waiting to feel ready. Start building the habit that changes everything. You don't need more time. You need to start. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Because the longer you stay in your head, the longer your dream stays out of reach. So here's your challenge. Pick one thing. Start today. Keep showing up. Curious how people are learning digital skills and making money online. I've laid it all out in a free guide. The link's in my bio. Seriously, go check it out. And if you're ready to grow, subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.